So you need a 19 mil for the steering nut. You need a 19 mil for the steering nut. So if you've got a ratchet gun as well, you can use it here. Sometimes I prefer to use the ratchet gun because it makes it a lot more easier to get the nut off. So you get the nut off, and you see when I tap the steering, the reason why I tap the steering that way, the steering wheel that way, is, you know, just to break loose, you know, the steering wheel from the shaft, so I can be able to take it off easy. Off. You're left with so when you're doing this, be very careful with your clock spring. So this is your clock spring. So the clock spring is this. So make sure you don't turn it like 360 or, you know, play with it, because you're just going to break, you know, all the connection to even your cruise control, all the switches on the side, and you can trigger your ABS, your traction control lights, and other stuff in your car. Even your horn might not work, because this clock spring has the wires that controls most of the switch on the steering.